Yeah, this is where they were at. What I think were coyotes. We're going in the opposite direction they were going, so I think our chances of finding tracks are slim. But we'll see. Anna, what do you smell? What do you smell? Okay. You want to keep going? Yeah, I don't think we're gonna find tracks, Diana. I think we're just gonna go find somewhere else to like hang out for a bit. Just leave them alone. Come back, Diana. Let's head out of here. It's okay, puppy. Diana, come on. Let's head out. Diana. Bye to Anna. You're okay.